What are you guys doing? Whoops, I'm just on this way. Are you trying to put up the Christmas tree?
Get a picture of me too.
I am.
I like this.
Are you dancing, Mace? Good dancing. Oopsie. Nice. Oh. They're heavy.
No.
They're trying to help you. Mason's got the silver beads. Mason got silver beads. You gonna do a little dancing?
Did you click at me?
Yeah, I got it. I got taking a little video.
Can I see it?
I'm taking a video of you right now. Taking a video of your beads.
No,
I'm taking a video. You got your own beads, Mace. There you go. Be careful. Whoa, that's a lot of beads.